Dawson James is a full-service boutique investment banking firm based here in Boca Raton, Florida.
We've been around since the early 2000s. We've been providing investment banking services which can be comprised of advisory service, equity and debt capital raising services, and just overall advice about how to be a public company.
Dawson James today has created a model that allows corporate clients to raise capital not just from institutions but from retail investors as well.
We can provide issuers more clarity, more assurances that they're going to get their money, because we just have a deeper pool of capital to draw from to be able to get good management teams, good companies funded.
In some cases we can bring between 500 to almost 1,000 new shareholders and get the story out. And a lot of times with these smaller cap companies, equally as important as the money is having shareholders and having people understanding the story and getting a broad-based distribution.
How I advise the startup companies and the new companies is to present information about other companies in the industry that are public, that are successful.
About a year ago, we raised $12 million for a company called Vernetics. We did a deal for Oculus Innovative Sciences. The company was trading at about $2.50, $3 a share. We provided $6 million to the company and almost 900 new shareholders. Another bigger brokerage firm had tried 3 months unsuccessfully to get the deal done. We did a deal in 2.5 weeks with no roadshow.
Dawson James originally started off with a focus in life sciences and healthcare and biotech.
We take a lot of pride in that what we do to help these companies stay in business or grow at the end of the day is going to result in someone getting better.
We've expanded our focus into areas such as technology, telecommunications, and we are now very active in the Chinese market.
We're looking for exciting growth stories, basically trying to get those stories in front of our investor base.
After we discover the companies and we present them to investors, it's a win-win situation because both the companies benefit and the investors benefit at the same time.
Dawson James is a full-service broker-dealer, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, portfolio management, portfolio analysis. We offer the same services as the larger brokerage firms do, but more personalized service for our customers.
There are a lot of banks out there that look at things as transactions. We don't look at things as transactions. The layer that we add, by adding the research coverage, the due diligence, and the retail, we really bring a full service aspect to a corporate customer rather than just a one-off transaction.
We've been able to identify a niche of serving underfollowed, undervalued, somewhat ignored companies and improving them and presenting them to the investing public.
We purposefully look for small companies because our hope is that these small companies will end up growing into large companies, and their success will then feed our success.
One of the reasons that we originally got into the space is to be able to finance a company, in some cases from start to finish, and actually see this company bring a new drug or a new device to the marketplace that makes a difference in someone's life. It's very fulfilling to anyone who is associated with that transaction.
If I had to sort of summarize what we're doing for the greater good, it's really making sure that some of these companies, these technologies, these entrepreneurs can get the capital and find a voice to be able to continue their good work.